Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today on my media channel. And today we are going to be unboxing the Paramount Presents release of Once Upon a Time in the West by Sergio Leone. Now this is one of the great westerns, and by the way, one of the best performances of Henry Fonda's career. Henry Fonda plays against type as an antagonist in this one, and while Henry Fonda was mostly known as being like a sweet ladies' man, he is a nasty brute in this film. This is part of the Paramount Plus series. Now, this is number 44. Now, this one actually does have a 4K disc in it. This series has come under controversy because while all the movies are restored in 4K, most of them have only Blu-ray releases. And if the particular disc sold well enough, then they would release the 4K disc separately, which begging the question, why would you buy this series? Well, they've started adding some of those 4K discs into the series. This is one of them. So this one you can safely buy, although I must say I have read reports that they did not use a 100 gigabyte disc, and as a result the image is a little compromised, but it's still going to look better than your old DVD that you've probably had for years. So I mean, you know, I'll still take a disappointing upgrade over no upgrade at all, or a bad upgrade. So as with the Paramount Presents, we have the poster, the original poster when the movie was first released. Then you open it and we have basically what's on the outside, on the inside. You gotta love these dual layers of protection with the plastic wrap. That's always nice, at least for me it is, because I tend to buy these online from like Groove and similar sites like that. So when you have them double wrapped like this, it means that the discs are likely going to come in pretty good condition. So let's first take the digital code out, because I plan to use that. And this is what we have. Artwork on the discs as always. The 4K is black, the Blu-ray is white. Let's take these out and we see some images on the inside. A quote from Leonard Maltin: "This is one of Sergio Leone's great films. Some people would mark this as the grand finale of westerns." That, I believe, is very true, and it is highly recommended. Let's put these back, and yeah, I do love the Paramount Presents series. I love the packaging. I love how it all looks, how it all comes together. Let's move this aside. And now the question is, how many of you own this release? Oop, the tripod is tripping. How many of you own this release? If you don't own it, do you plan to get it? And what do you like or not like about it? I'd love to know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and I'll see you at the movies.